Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Before we get started, if you want to see more videos from me, just click the subscribe button below this video. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just click the bell icon next to that subscribe button. And then you'll start receiving notifications when I make a new video. Okay, today I want to talk about how to stay focused in your business. This is one of the top themes that I'm going to be talking about on a regular basis in going into the year of 2019. Staying focused in your business and not getting distracted. And that leads me to my first point. Get rid of distractions. Now here I have phone. That doesn't mean you get rid of your phone. It just means that while you're working on your business, turn the phone off. Or, if you have an iPhone or something, put it in airplane mode so that you won't get distracted by people texting you and calling you, okay? And also the apps on your phone. If you have apps on your phone that are like pretty much a waste of time and you don't need it for your business, get rid of those apps, okay? They're taking, you get on them, you're playing these games on, these games or whatever on these apps. You're wasting your time when you should be focused on your business. Get rid of those apps. Social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you're getting on Facebook and just scrolling your timeline and then you're going to these different Facebook groups and you're seeing what other people are saying and before you know it, a half hour to an hour has gone by and all you did was just look at what other people were posting on Facebook, commenting, whatever. And you're doing the same thing on Instagram, you're doing the same thing on Twitter, you got Snapchat, and that again is a waste of time. You're wasting hours doing that when you could be working on your business. So, cut down on the social media, take maybe a half hour out of your day after you've done your work in your business, and then look through social media if you want to. No more than a half hour. After that, go back to working on your business or do something else. TV. TV is a very big distraction. This is one that has distracted me in the past. Your favorite shows come on, Game of Thrones or something like that, and you spend more time watching TV than you do working on your business. Okay? And if you do that, if you continue to do that, then you'll continue to not make money in your business. You won't see any progress whatsoever. Cut out the TV. If you have cable, get rid of cable. Okay? You can still have Netflix and stuff, but reserve Netflix for like on the weekend, like after you finish doing your work in your business, because you're going to be working in your business every day, even on the weekend. Okay? Work on your business in the morning or afternoon on the weekends, and in the evening you can watch Netflix. Okay? But sitting down watching cable, the news, which is what I also have on here, news. The news is negative. The majority of the news is negative, okay? And you don't need that in your mind. You got to have a success mindset. You got to have a positive mindset. And you can't have a positive mindset if you're hearing about somebody getting killed, in your city, or a whole bunch of people getting killed in another country, or all this strife and stuff, the political crap that's going on in the country and stuff like that. You don't want your mind bombarded with all of that stuff. You want to concentrate on one thing, and that is doing the necessary work, the income producing activities you need to do in order to be successful in your business. And of course, partying, if you work a full-time job, Friday comes along and your co-workers or some friends of yours, they call you up, say, hey, we're going to the club tonight, and they want you to come along. What are you going to do? You got to work in your business. You want to party too, but which one is more important to you? Partying on a Friday night, or working your business so you can make that money and be successful and you can quit that job? Okay? You have to start doing things differently from your friends and your co-workers, Because if you continue to do the same things they're doing, you're going to be stuck where you are. You're not going to be successful. So you're going to have to cut down on the partying. You probably have to cut it out completely until you've got your business to a point where you're making steady income from it and you're able to quit your job. And then you might have time for partying, once a week or something. Okay? Next, unsubscribe from guru YouTube channels. You don't have to unsubscribe from all of them, but some of them you should unsubscribe from. I've done this recently myself. There's certain, like, the industry I'm in is the make money online niche, in particular promoting business opportunities. I'm in a business opportunity. I follow some of the top earners in the same business opportunity I'm in, and I subscribe to their YouTube channels. And what I've noticed is that these top earners in whatever business opportunity they're in, whether it's your business opportunity or my business opportunity, they'll talk about that particular opportunity for maybe a month, a couple of months, and then after that they start talking about a different opportunity. And then a couple months later they're talking about another opportunity. And then a couple months later they're talking about a new system to promote the business opportunity. Then a month later they're talking about another new system to promote the business opportunity. So they're pretty much bombarding their subscribers with so much information. It's like information overload. They're giving them all these different choices. Like, hey, look at all these business opportunities I'm in. There's multiple streams of income and stuff like that. The top earners, they can do that kind of stuff because they have the money to do it. They've been doing this for years, and they're making 5-6 figures a month. Okay? You're not there yet. A lot of you probably haven't even made your first dollar yet in your business opportunity. So you can't do what the top earners are doing. They can jump from business opportunity to business opportunity to business opportunity because they're already making money, and they have plenty of money to go into all these different opportunities that are out there. And there's a lot of great opportunities out there. But what you need to do is just focus on one opportunity and get that to a point where you're making steady income from it. If you're not there at that level yet, then you need to put blinders on. You don't need to look at these other business opportunities these gurus are promoting. That's why I say unsubscribe from them. If they're doing that, unsubscribe from them. Because they're not really giving you any value. All they're doing is just promoting a bunch of opportunities that they're in. And, they're going to make money regardless of whether you join them or not, because the other people that are following them are going to, some of them are going to join them and they'll make money. These top earners will make money. They're going to make a lot of money, okay? But you need to stay focused on what you're doing. Even though another opportunity might look good, you got to ignore it. Ignore it. Put it out of your mind. Focus on the opportunity you're in, okay? And that's why I say unsubscribe from those gurus, because they're not giving you value. They're not teaching you anything. They're just telling you what they're in and trying to get you to join them. There's nothing wrong with that, but if they're not providing value, like teaching you a skill, teaching you how to do certain things, teaching you how to promote, then there's no reason to be subscribed to them. Unsubscribe from their YouTube channels. And the same thing goes for unsubscribing from their email list. And I put most of them because there is a benefit to being subscribed to certain guru email lists, like certain top earners that are in your industry. Because if you have an email list yourself, sometimes you don't know what to write to your list. Well, all you have to do is look at what the top earners are emailing to their list. Are they providing value, especially if they're value driven emails? What are they talking about? How do they structure their emails? So those particular top earners and gurus, you can stay on their list because you're learning from them how to add value to your email list so you can emulate what they're doing. That's fine. But these other gurus and top earners who every time they email you, they're emailing you about different business opportunity they're in, or they're emailing you about a new system that they're using to promote their business opportunity. And they're pretty much confusing you, giving you these mixed messages like, oh, I thought this was the greatest opportunity. Now you're promoting this. I thought this was a great system. Now you're promoting this other system. Those type of email lists that you might be on, unsubscribe from those, because they're not giving you any value. They're not teaching you anything. They're not showing you how to grow your business, how to promote your business, how to make money, So, next thing, the only time you need to go on Facebook and Instagram is if it's business related. The whole know, like, and trust factor. You need people to get to know you, like you, and trust you enough in order to join you in your business opportunity. So, in order for them to get to know you, you have to be on Facebook and Instagram posting positive, inspirational posts, positive, inspirational quotes on your page, that sort of thing, posting your results of your business on your page every now and then. This helps people to get to know who you are, and then they become interested in what business opportunity you're in. Okay, and they will approach you and ask you, hey, what business are you in? And then you can tell them. Okay? But that's the only reason you would go on Facebook and Instagram, to connect with people who are interested in your business opportunity. Okay? And to develop a profile where you're posting positive stuff and posting your results in your business in order to develop that know, like, and trust factor. Okay? That's the only reason. Stay out of the Facebook groups. The Facebook groups, you don't really get much value in those Facebook groups. It's just people posting like, welcome to the group, welcome to the group, welcome to this business, welcome to that business, And also, people posting their income results. Hey, I made $2,000 while I was sleeping last night. They're all inspirational and everything, but they really don't add anything to your business at all. So it's just a waste of time to be in those Facebook groups. Okay? And I'm implementing this strategy myself where, I just stay out of those Facebook groups. I might go in like once a week and just see if the owner of the group, whatever, has something to say, or the owner of the business opportunity, the creator of the business opportunity, if he has something important that he has to say in there. I look for his messages, and that's it. I don't read all the other stuff. I don't have time to read all that other stuff. I don't want to waste my time reading all that other stuff. Okay? So if you do want to go on those Facebook groups, do it maybe once a week and just look at it and see if there's any important messages. If there's not, get out of it. Okay? And go back to building your business. And in order to stay focused in your business, these are the things you need to focus on. Building your email list. You drive traffic to your offer, and you can use free and paid traffic strategies for this. Drive traffic to your offer, which will build your email list, and then you write value-based emails to your list every day. And like I said before, when it comes to these guru email lists, look at how they write their emails, if they're providing value, of course, and emulate their style. If they have a tip in there that it's a good business tip that you just learned, write about that in your emails. Share it with your email list. Okay? And this also goes back to the know, like, and trust factor. Writing those value-based emails every single day. Driving traffic to your offer, free and paid strategies. You can do it, the paid strategies once a week and the free strategies every day. But the most important thing is to be consistent. Always be consistent in your business. doing the income producing activities every single day without fail. Don't do it once a week. Don't do it every few days. Do it every single day, and eventually you will start seeing positive results in your business. You will start making commissions. It's inevitable. Okay, it's a numbers game, really. It's a numbers game. The more leads you get, the more you contact those leads every single day, eventually you'll start making commissions. Eventually, some of those leads, some of those prospects will join you in your business because they got to know you, they started liking you, and now they trust you enough in order to join your business. Okay? And of course, ignore the new shining objects, which is what I talked about up here about distractions and the gurus. There are new business opportunities popping up all the time. You see people making videos about one business opportunity and they're making all this money. Another business opportunity over here and they're making all this money. You know, you might be in a business opportunity right now, but you haven't made your first dollar yet. Just do what I just said here. Drive traffic to the offer, build up your email list, and write value-based emails to your list every day so they can get to know, like, and trust you, and be consistent. And you have to keep doing this, and eventually you'll start making commissions. You know, it might not happen in the first week or the second week or the third week. Sometimes it can be a month and a half, even 2 months before you make your first commission. Are you willing to be consistent and keep doing it until you make that first commission? And then when you do make that first commission, continue to be consistent. Do it every single day. That's what the top earners do. They started off like you did. But what made them top earners while you're still struggling is that they were consistent. Is that they provided value. Okay? And don't worry about other people's business opportunities, thinking that you might be better at making money in that opportunity because the opportunity you're in, you haven't made $1 yet. If you haven't made money in the opportunity you're already in, you're not going to make money in the other opportunity that's on the other side. No matter what business opportunity you get involved with, you're not going to make money in it. It's pure and simple. You're not going to make money in it because you don't know how to be consistent. You don't know how to stay focused on one thing. You keep jumping from one offer to the next offer to the next offer instead of sticking with the one you're in and working that business every single day. Being consistent, being focused. That's what it takes. If you're not willing to do that, then stay at a job. But if you're willing to be focused and do those income producing activities every single day on a consistent basis, eventually you will start seeing positive results in your business. All of that hard work will pay off. It may not happen right away, but it will happen. Okay? Well, I've gone on long enough about this. If you're not in a business opportunity right now, I invite you to check out the opportunity that I'm in. It's a sales funnel that can be used, and it promotes 5 income streams, multiple streams of income. All you have to do is to promote one link, and this funnel system, the sales funnel system, does the selling for you. Okay? So in order to get more information about how you can create multiple streams of income with just one sales funnel, go ahead and click the link below this video. It's the very first link. Click that link and you'll receive all the information about it. Okay? Again, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.